Today the topic of discussion is sociology in a changing world, as the world rapidly transforms through globalization, technological advancement, and shifting cultural dynamics. The study of sociology has become more important than ever. Sociology in a changing world explores how social relationships, institutions, and behaviors are evolving in response to new global realities. From the rise of the Internet to the interconnectedness of global economies, sociologists are expanding their focus to understand the complexities of modern life and the challenges and opportunities that emerge in an increasingly interconnected world. Adapting to social transformation is most discussing point of the topic, adapting to social transformation, as we know that the world today is more interconnected, complex, and fast-paced than ever before. As society evolves, so too must the discipline of sociology. Furthermore, I would like to say that sociologists are increasingly focusing their attention on new forms of social interaction, shifting global dynamics, and the technological transformations that redefine how we live, communicate, and engage with one another. From face-to-face interactions to digital engagements via the Internet and email, the scope of sociological inquiry has expanded to reflect the changes shaping our modern world. The world today is more interconnected, complex, and fast-paced than ever before. As society evolves, so too must the discipline of sociology. Sociologists are increasingly focusing their attention on new forms of social interaction, shifting global dynamics, and the technological transformations that redefine how we live, communicate, and engage with one another. From face-to-face interactions to digital engagements via the Internet and email, the scope of sociological inquiry has expanded to reflect the changes shaping our modern world. The next point is globalization and the shrinking social world, one of the most significant forces reshaping societies across the globe is globalization. Although over 6 billion people inhabit the Earth, the rise of jet travel, telecommunications, the Internet, and 24/7 satellite news has made the world feel much smaller, socially, economically, and culturally. And sociologists argue that globalization has eroded traditional geographical boundaries, fostering increased cultural awareness and creating new patterns of social life. For instance, the popularity of soccer in the US, the global appeal of Hollywood movies and American fashion, and multinational trade agreements like NAFTA all reflect the global interconnectedness of cultures and economies. And further, I would like to elaborate the point that globalization continues to blur national boundaries, shaping a shared social reality where local actions have global consequences and global trends influence everyday life across the world. Let us now turn our attention to debates surrounding globalization. Globalization is a widely debated and controversial topic. Scholars differ on when globalization began. Some trace its origins to ancient trade routes and colonialism, while others see it as a post-World War II phenomenon. There are also varying opinions on its impact. Some view globalization as a force of progress and integration, while others critique it for increasing inequality, eroding local cultures, and concentrating power in the hands of a few global actors. Regardless of the stance taken, globalization has compelled sociologists to look beyond national boundaries and explore the complex networks that link societies, economies, and cultures across the globe, and I would like to add that globalization challenges sociologists to adopt a broader, more interconnected perspective, recognizing that understanding today's social realities requires examining the global forces that shape local lives. Now, we will discuss the world systems perspective of sociology in a changing world. One significant framework that sociologists use to understand globalization is the world systems perspective, which emerged in the 1970s. This approach emphasizes the interdependence of countries in a global economic and political system, categorizing nations into core, semi-peripheral, and peripheral regions based on their roles in the global economy. Sociologists such as Chase Dunn and Grimes have used this model to analyze how economic power and inequality are structured on a global scale. This perspective is explored further in sociological studies on global inequality and economic systems, and, ultimately, the world systems perspective offers a powerful lens for understanding how global hierarchies of power and wealth shape the social and economic conditions of nations and their people. The next point is technology and social interaction, as we know that technological innovation has always been a key area of sociological interest, particularly in how it transforms social interaction. The development of communication and information technologies has intensified globalization and reshaped everyday life. These technologies often produce unanticipated social consequences. And I would like to mention notable example of the telephone, which initially emerged as a business communication tool but gradually evolved into a means of personal and social connection, profoundly altering social norms and behaviors. To conclude this point, technology continues to redefine the way individuals connect and communicate, prompting sociologists to examine its far-reaching and often unexpected impacts on social relationships and cultural patterns. The Internet and digital society is very important point of discussion, sociology in a changing world, perhaps the most transformative technological advancement of recent decades is the Internet. What began as a tool used by a small, computer-literate elite in the early 1990s quickly expanded into a global platform that permeates nearly every aspect of modern life. Sociologists now study how the Internet is used for social networking, business, education, entertainment, news, activism, propaganda, and even crime. The digital world has created new arenas of social behavior, from online communities and digital dating to virtual protests and global misinformation campaigns. Thus, I would like to say to illustrate this point is that the rise of the Internet has revolutionized the social landscape, compelling sociologists to explore how digital spaces are reshaping human interaction, identity, and the structure of society itself. The last point of discussion is new frontiers in sociological research. The rise of the digital age has led sociologists to explore new areas of inquiry, including online identity formation, digital inequality, cyberbullying, and the impact of social media on mental health, democracy, and public opinion. While most agree that the Internet has fundamentally changed society, debates continue over whether these changes are mostly beneficial, harmful, or a mixture of both. As such, sociology has had to adapt by incorporating new methods and theoretical frameworks to study these virtual spaces and their real-world consequences. To conclude this topic, sociology in a changing world, I would like to say that, in a rapidly changing world, sociology remains a vital discipline for understanding the shifting landscape of human life. Globalization and technological innovation have transformed the way people interact, perceive one another, and organize society. These changes require sociologists to move beyond traditional boundaries and engage with complex, transnational, and digital phenomena. Whether investigating the cultural impacts of global trade or the societal implications of artificial intelligence and the Internet, sociologists continue to play a crucial role in making sense of the modern world.